Hey man, Todd with Empowered Man Coaching, life and career coach, supporting you to be your best self, show up as the best man you can be. While you're here walking the earth, I want to talk today about discipline. Discipline's tough. It's tough for me. I think if you look around at people you judge successful or accomplished, a common theme or thread would be discipline. So let's talk about that a minute. How do we create, exercise, practice more discipline? It starts from the mindset, as many things do. It's important to understand your why. Why do you want to have discipline? What are those things in your life that if you had more discipline around, you would experience greater results, greater satisfaction, move you towards where you want to be? Sit down and think about, what is the why? I mean, why is it important? Oftentimes I find it helps to identify your core values and the activity or the thing that you're desiring, and where that alignment is in that place, that space, is often where the why is. So examine your values against the thing you want to be more disciplined around, and see if you can find a deeper, meaningful why. And you know why that's important? And this is point 2 around mindset. This isn't about motivation as much as it is about commitment. Your why will help you move towards being committed, making a commitment to be more disciplined around the thing that you're after. Motivation oftentimes becomes dependent on our mood or emotion in the moment or whatever. I don't feel like it. I just don't want to do it. And commitment is I will. Commitment is the I will. I've committed, I will. Doesn't matter how I feel. And getting your mind around that is a big help, because then you recognize it's okay that you don't feel like doing it, but you're going to do it anyway. It's the commitment. It's the I will. And then I think it's important to recognize that this isn't going to be perfect. As you're building discipline and you're becoming stronger in what you're doing, it's going to be a little hit and miss at times. And so what you want to do is give yourself a little bit of grace and stay committed to the task. Every day is not going to be perfect. But it is important to stay consistent and show up. So here's some habits, or here's some items that might help you achieve that a little bit better. One of the things that you can do is create a habit around the thing that you want to be disciplined for. So there's an activity, there's a behavior, there's something that needs to happen to get it done. Begin to build the habit. Give yourself 30 days. Mark it on the calendar, check it off every day. Just begin to build the habit. And use the 2-minute rule. Consistency is what you're after. That's what's going to build the habit to be more disciplined. The 2-minute rule says, I don't know how I'm going to do it. I feel so overwhelmed. I just don't even know. The 2-minute rule is you show up for 2 minutes doing it. Pushing into the thing that needs to be done. And hopefully, after 2 minutes, you recognize, oh, hey, this isn't so bad. And you can keep on doing it and you move forward a little bit. So let's just take those 2 things for now. Try to apply them around one item that you want to be more disciplined around, and just see what kind of results you get. It's just important to recognize that this is a process, a journey, and it's not going to be perfect, but you can do it, and you just keep moving forward on it. So I'll talk more about this, but I just wanted to share a little bit about that now. And hope things are going well for you guys. Drop me a line, send me a note, let me know what you think about discipline in your life and the commitment and how you work through it to achieve it. I'm Todd, life coach, career coach with Empowered Man Coaching. Ciao.